Afternoon guys, and welcome to Arboleas on this beautiful August afternoon. I've come up to do an exclusive new listing, the stunning Villa Encanta. I just showed you the backdrop there, so wonderful sandblock driveway, double electric gates, access very private, slightly elevated, surrounded by absolutely beautiful panoramic views. See the pool there, the driveway rolls up and adjoins the villa frontage. And at the top of the driveway is a lovely parking area and a log store, and then this absolutely fantastic two-storey double garage. You've got electric door access to that, so easy to convert. This has got a full mezzanine floor, which we'll have a look at in a minute, but so easy to convert this into a self-contained apartment living area. Wonderful seating area here. Now what the current owners have done, beautiful garden and outside space, but they've really cleared out loads of plants and loads of shrubs and just kept some beautiful palms and yuccas. I hope there's a little breeze up here, which is very welcome, but I'm not sure if it's going to be good on the camera. This gorgeous kind of pergola seating area here. Let's have a pan around. Pool, absolutely crystal. And look at your backdrop. Now right behind me there's a conservatory entrance porch. To my right now is the master bedroom, and to my left is a bay lounge window as well. Now I've just wandered over, I'm going to show you inside the garage first, but you can see double garage, got electricity installed here, and there's an outside water supply just outside, so that could easily be brought across to here. And you've got steps coming up here up to a fantastic mezzanine floor, which I'll just take a look at in a second. But this garage build size is bigger than a lot of people have apartments down on the coast, so easily converted into guest accommodation, or you know, family are over, nice little detached guest apartment. So I've wandered up the steps onto the mezzanine floor, and what you can't see at first, all along the right hand side and the left hand side, you've got very large lockable store units, and then you've got this whole floor space up here. You know, it used to be used as an art studio, but whatever you want to do with it, music room, art studio, as I say, conversion to guest accommodation. Very big room. And the options are endless. Back out now to the front garden, and I've come under the pergola here. Lovely seating area, you can see the views in the backdrop, cool and shaded, perfect during the day, but also for the evenings. You know, if you've got some friends over, want to have a nice meal poolside, then perfect spot. Glass of wine, and then lovely garden continues along here. I mean, it's been designed with low maintenance in mind, and it certainly works to that. Just over on my left, discreetly tucked away, you've got a full satellite dish there, UK satellite dish, and there is a thousands of litre deposit tank. I mean, it's mains water, mains electric, but you never know if you're going to get water cut off, so that's been covered. And then along the back of the villa here is a lovely little corridor of fruit trees, and you've got an orange, a lemon, you've actually got a pear, a peach, even an apple. Now you can normally walk through here, but there's some netting on there just to protect the pear tree at the moment. So we'll go and have a look at that from the other side. Just a little pan round for you from here. Stunning. So now the little garden area up the right hand side. Now there's been some red rain damage here, but you can see 3/4 of this wall has been made good, and that's going to be brought back to its former glory before the house is sold on this side. Behind me now I've got the garage, and also there's behind the garage there's a big kind of storage area discreetly tucked away, so you don't have to look at it. Now the corridor of fruit trees from the other side. So that's actually an apple there right in front of me. There's a little gas bottle and the boiler housing tucked away on the back there. That's the kitchen window, and this leads straight into a utility room. So again, lots of access points in and out of the property to the gardens. So let's go for a wander now on the inside. So I'm coming through a beautiful glazed porch area that sits overlooking the pool. Wonderful seating area in the shade. Lovely breeze. I mean, it's all fly screened as well. Lovely breeze coming through here at the moment. And the wonderful feature, that porch, if you like, leads straight into a very large central entrance hall. Door in front there, the kitchen, and there's arch access off to the right to the lounge diner. Now, originally there used to be a big dining table in here, but no more. And I think the thing that strikes you about this property, I mean, it's the words luxury, spacious, bright, airy, quality, they're all too easily bandied about, but I think they really do apply to this home. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, entrance hall, arched access into the beautiful lounge dining room. All the key rooms have got not just top spec air conditioning units, but ceiling fans as well. The property's been fly screened throughout. This gorgeous wood burning fire with marble surrounding. I mean, it's not just a marble fireplace around, you know, it's a beautiful kind of display unit. Absolutely gorgeous. Bit of stone. Door access there on my right, going straight out to the garden again. Now this central hall connects all the rooms of the property as well, so you've got a door that closes there into the second part of the hallway, and off of that are all the bedrooms, which we'll have a look at in a minute. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa, but let's go and have a quick look at the kitchen first. So granite worktops, drinking water system, very good sized kitchen. And then at the end you can see arched access. This leads out to a further good sized utility room, and you saw the back door there going out straight to the garden where the fruit trees are situated. So as I said, the hallway continues. This door can be closed, so if you've got guests staying and you're not in the mood to go to bed, or people are using the living room, then you can shut off that door just to give a bit more peace and quiet and privacy. So double guest bedroom off here to the right. Just beautifully appointed. In front of me, a family bathroom. That was a full bath, but look, you can see it's been adapted to. Gorgeous double shower. And then the second guest bedroom off here to the right. Quick look from the other side. You can see there, this has got a full ensuite. This is a full bath with an overhead shower. So that was bathroom 2. Now this is the 4th bedroom. It's been converted into a lovely dressing room. I could hear you question the other bedrooms, where are the wardrobes and everything else, where you've got more wardrobes and you'll never ever know what to do with in here. Now again, the owners are more than happy to convert this back to a bedroom if required, but I thought it would be a nice touch to have a wonderful dressing room, so I think probably best to leave these in situ. And then finally the master bedroom This is bow fronted, similar to the lounge. Arch access coming into this. Triple window, 1, 2, and another one over there to our right. The view from here I'll have a look at in a second, but absolutely fantastic. And then just before we enter the master bedroom, you've got bathroom number 3, another full bath with an overhead shower, absolutely pristine. Gorgeous, big, spacious room. Pan around for you in here. And let's just have a quick look at the view from the master bed. You can see, like the lounge, like the conservatory, out over the pool to that beautiful backdrop. So there you have it, the beautiful Villa Encanta. Full details will follow shortly, but essentially a very, very spacious 4-bed, 3-bath villa with an enormous detached 2-storey garage, electric gate access, highest quality, highest spec, central little conservatory porch area, wonderful spacious central hallway, larger than average garden which has been recreated and designed to be very low maintenance but give, you know, a wonderful backdrop. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, call us now or email us khalidahomes@hotmail.com. Give us a call, +34 950 430 763. And really enjoy showing you around. Hope you like the property. I think this one's an absolute stunner. I'll leave you with that little view. Have a great day.